Hi there, this is Arthur again from the Fluence Agency. Now, I've been a web designer since 1995. I don't design a lot of websites anymore, but as somebody that started web design way back in 1995, obviously I keep my finger on the pulse of what's happening in the web design industry, and I find that these days web designers don't really take pride in their work anymore. We find that they deliver websites to customers that are just sitting there. Customers as well, you business people, you accept websites from web designers that are just sitting there. And when it comes to something like SEO, search engine optimization, something that you do to get more traffic, to get more leads, to get more customers, and ultimately more sales, you don't care. I mean, it's like you print brochures and you hope to get sales from those brochures. You advertise in newspapers and you hope to get more sales from those ads that you place. But as far as your website goes, it's like nobody cares whether they get sales from their websites. Nobody does anything to their website to actually make people want to buy from them. And that to me is kind of appalling. So what I want to talk to you about today are 3 basic benefits of an optimized website, a website that has been optimized for search. One of the first benefits of an optimized website is that it improves the findability of that website. It means that people that are looking for your product, that are looking for your service, people that are looking for your product or your service in a specific geographic location, maybe where you are located, they will find you so much easier if your website is optimized. What you find is that nobody looks for example, our agency is called Fluence, but nobody is going to look for Fluence. People are going to look for a marketing agency in the city of Durban. They are going to look for a digital agency in the city of Durban. By the way, you can Google that, digital agency Durban or marketing agency Durban. Let me know what you come up with. And that is really what people are looking for. So what you need to do is to optimize your website for your product, for your service, for your geographic location, and that way people will find you. The second benefit is that it will save you costs on marketing. What you find these days is that especially big companies, I've heard of a specific, one of our local 4 big banks who spend something like 600 Rand a day on Google AdWords. And I'm saying to myself, are these people crazy? What happens when that budget runs out? So only as long as you pay Google that money do you get the top ranking in the AdWords. Yes, you come up on the top of the page, but you're only there for as long as you pay. Whereas somebody like me would, SEO would optimize your website for search and let you rank organically. So long after you have paid me the money, you might have forgotten that you did business with me. Your website will still have a strong ranking. People will still find you. You will still appear at the top of the search results, etc. And that is good for your business. The third one I want to talk about today is the fact that you can easily convert leads if your website is optimized. Obviously, website optimization involves a measure of lead generation. So you have to build lead generation mechanisms. And one of the simplest things that you can do perhaps is to put a form on your website where people can subscribe to a mailing list. The other thing you can do is maybe put a downloadable, a free ebook or something that is downloadable, and before people can download it, they give you their details, email address, mobile number, etc. And that is a form of lead generation. Then there's obviously lead conversion as well. For that use, that's a totally different ballgame altogether. Conversion optimization, it falls within the same space, but conversion and optimization are 2 separate facets of the digital marketing as a discipline. So once again, the 3 things: lead conversion, you can save money on marketing. You don't have to do the Google AdWords thing. You can do the Google AdWords thing in conjunction to fast track your marketing. So while you're building on your organic ranking, maybe put some money into it. but it's not the be-all, end-all. Some people just jump in and just do the whole AdWords thing. And that only works for as long as you have money to pay. And we all know money doesn't last forever. You all don't always have big budgets. So as long as you pay, you get good ranking. Well, it's not really ranking. It's an ad at the top of the search results. So it's not even ranking at all. And the other one is obviously findability. So there you go, findability, lead conversion, lead generation, and you save yourself some money. There are obviously other aspects to optimization as well, other benefits of optimization. But for those, you're going to have to talk to me maybe on a one-on-one basis. You can hit me up on Facebook, find me, I'm Arthur Charles van Wyk. You can email me. It's arthur@fluence.co.za, or you can hit me up on Twitter. It's at arthurofficial, not artificial, at arthurofficial on Twitter. This is Arthur from the Fluence Agency. Cheers.